Hello everyone, welcome back. Today Sampel 20 is super proud to present Pão de Queijo, so let's begin. Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making Pão de Queijo. I went to Brazil recently and I fell in love with these like cheese ball types of breads, and I said I have to make it on my own. So I bought this YOKI brand, and it's pre-mixed. It's cheese bread mix, if you could see, and we're gonna try to recreate this delicious Brazilian cheese bread on our own. So let's begin. I'm gonna add the full bag of pão de queijo to a bowl like so. I'm gonna add half a cup of cold water. I'm now going to add my 2 medium-sized eggs, and we're gonna mix this well until we form a dough. So I have my oven preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, and I'm just gonna mix this up in the meantime, making sure I get a nice dough here. So now I'm gonna start to form my little balls. I'm gonna take maybe about this much, so maybe about a tablespoon, and I'm just gonna form it, shape it into a ball, and then place it in my sprayed pan here. You could use butter, I'm just using spray, and then we'll head it to the oven. So I have my beautiful little balls here laid out, and I'm leaving quite a bit of space in between because they are going to expand a little bit and we don't want them sticking together. I still have some dough left, so I'm going to continue with this using another Pyrex, and we're going to pop these in the oven. So we are ready. We're going to place this in at 180 degrees for 40 minutes or until they become nice golden brown. So see you in 40 minutes. And our 40 minutes are up, and oh my goodness, look at this. Look at that. These are the 2 jumbo ones that I made. Gonna grab these out first. I wish you guys could smell this. Wow. Look how beautiful these pão de queijo look. We're gonna open this one up. Look how beautiful the inside. And it tastes delicious. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe, and if there's ever any recipe that you would like us to try, let us know in the comments below.